Welcome to Coding for Kids. Before we start, please make sure to check out our website, join us on Telegram, and join us on Instagram. We also have a YouTube. Now, today I'm going to be talking about the introduction to robotics. So, getting started using Spark Prime. So we're going to be using Python today. And we're on the home page. You'll be wanting to press new project and press Python instead of word blocks and create. Once you're on here, you'll have to press getting started, and below it you have to writing a Python program and click it. And let me just take all of this out of the way. Okay. Python is a very natural text-based coding language. It's excellent for beginners. It can be used from web development to software development. There are only a few rules to keep in mind when you're writing the commands. Importing libraries, commenting code, naming conventions. Importing libraries. When you're creating Python projects, you need to have an import a library function. When you're using Spike Prime, you must always include the library that is linked to the hardware components. For example, monitors, the hub, and sensors. And now we're going to copy this into here. So here are some of the libraries that you can import. The app, the app, the hub, light matrix, buttons, speaker, and so on. And as you can see, because we only have this part of code, the robot will not do anything. It'll just stand there still. Comments on Python. Every line starting with a hashtag is considered a comment. For example, this. Let's copy it and put it into here. And indenting. Python is sensitive to capitalization, spaces, and indenting. It makes it easier to code. So let's copy that as well into here. And indenting is basically when there's a because Python kind of like visualizes the code in a way for it to so it gives the code a gap. It gives the code a gap, so it's like easier it's like easier for it to understand. So to do to indent it, you have to press tab, and then it will move to the place it's meant to be. So for using this knowledge base, most of this is for when you have a team, but we can still use these. So step by step, getting started, and to flow to guide through the exploration of most common functions used to control the Spike Prime hub. Pass the brick lesson, which you can use to practice teamwork, but that's when you have a team, and the Spike Python reference, where you find all the descriptions of functions. So this is basically getting started with Python, and if we press the play button, and that means the robot will print out Lego on the face of it. So basically, like normally it would print out a happy face, but because we've said print out Lego, it would have printed out Lego on the place it prints it out. So I hope you've learnt something today. So and bye.